I'm gonna go back to
I've been calling. Why didn't you answer?
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess I didn't hear my phone ring.
Whatever. Let's just go to the party.
No, I think I'm gonna skip this one.
Oh, come on.
No, I'm serious. I'm not going. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of not remembering. Tired of not remembering parts of my night. You go ahead and have fun.
Okay, whatever. Your loss.
You wanna come in?
What happened?
I don't even know how it happened.